Welcome to your guide on building financial freedom, step by step. First, start with budgeting. Track every dollar to understand your finances. This disciplined approach will highlight where you can cut unnecessary expenses. Next, focus on creating an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This safety net is crucial. Then, eliminate high-interest debt. Tackle it head-on using methods like the snowball or avalanche to reduce financial strain. The fourth step is to invest wisely. Diversify your portfolio with a mix of stocks, bonds, and real estate. Don't forget to contribute regularly to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. Step 5 is to continuously educate yourself. Financial literacy is a lifelong journey, so read books, follow financial news, and maybe even take courses. Finally, diversify your income streams. Consider side hustles, freelancing, or even passive income sources like dividends and rental income. With dedication and time, financial independence is within your reach. Subscribe for more tips.